Crash Course, Ecuador, Amazon Rainforest. Welcome to the magnificent Amazon Rainforest in Ecuador, a true paradise for nature enthusiasts and adventurers. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest, spanning over 7 million square kilometers and harboring an incredible array of biodiversity. In this crash course, we will delve into captivating stories and examples that will ignite your curiosity, and explore the top 12 attractions that showcase the awe-inspiring beauty and wonders of the Amazon rainforest in Ecuador. Story 1: The Lungs of the Earth. The Amazon rainforest is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, due to its vital role in producing oxygen and regulating the planet's climate. This vast ecosystem is home to an estimated 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, and countless other incredible creatures. It is a place where nature thrives in all its glory. Story 2: Indigenous Cultures and Traditions. The Amazon rainforest is also rich in cultural diversity, with numerous indigenous communities calling it home for centuries. These communities have a deep connection to the land, relying on traditional knowledge and sustainable practices to thrive in harmony with nature. Exploring their traditions and learning from their wisdom is a transformative experience. Top 12 attractions of the Amazon rainforest. 1. Yasuni National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve with unmatched biodiversity and opportunities for wildlife sightings. 2. Cuyabeno Wildlife Reserve, a pristine area known for its extensive lagoon system and abundant wildlife, including pink river dolphins. 3. Napo River, navigate through the Amazon's lifeline, immersing yourself in the sights and sounds of the rainforest. 4. Sacha Lodge, an eco-lodge deep in the rainforest, offering immersive experiences, guided hikes, and wildlife encounters. 5. Canopy Walkways, walk above the forest floor on suspended bridges, granting you a unique perspective of the canopy and its inhabitants. 6. Indigenous Communities, visit communities like the Kichwa and Waorani, and learn about their sustainable lifestyles and rich cultural heritage. 7. Parrot Clay Licks, witness the spectacular sight of colorful parrots and macaws gathering at mineral-rich clay licks. 8. Amazon River Dolphins, encounter these unique pink dolphins as you navigate the rivers of the rainforest. 9. Kapawi Eco Lodge, experience life in a remote Achua community, engage in cultural activities, and explore the surrounding jungle. 10. Waorani Eco Lodge, immerse yourself in the traditional lifestyle of the Waorani people and discover their ancestral lands. 11. Amazon Rainforest Night Walks, embark on nocturnal adventures to observe the fascinating creatures that come alive after dark. 12. Amazonian Cuisine, indulge in delicious traditional dishes made from local ingredients, such as fish, fruits, and exotic spices. Summarizing the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest in Ecuador is a realm of extraordinary beauty and biodiversity. From the stunning landscapes and vibrant wildlife to the indigenous cultures deeply rooted in the forest, every step unveils a new wonder. Exploring the Amazon is an opportunity to reconnect with nature, gain a deeper understanding of the world's ecosystems, and appreciate the importance of conservation efforts. Poem. In the heart of the Amazon, nature's embrace. A realm of wonder, an enchanting space. Lush green canopy, where life intertwines. The symphony of the rainforest, a melody divine. Indigenous cultures, guardians of the land. Their wisdom and traditions, an enduring stand. Yasuni Sanctuary, a treasure to behold. Biodiversity's haven, a story yet untold. Canopy Walkways, soaring above the trees. Discovering secrets, the rainforest freeze. Parrot Clay Licks, a colorful display. Pink river dolphins, gliding through the spray. Night walks awaken, the jungle's hidden sight. Eyes wide open, embracing the night. The Amazon's flavors, a culinary delight. Fish and fruits, a feast with every bite. The Amazon rainforest, a sanctuary grand. With every breath, we understand the importance of protecting this sacred place. For future generations, a lasting embrace. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of the jungle, where mysteries unfold. The Amazon rainforest, a story yet untold. Yasuni's embrace, a haven of life. Where nature's symphony takes flight. Chorus. Oh, Amazon rainforest, a world so vast. Unveiling wonders, from the present to the past. Canopy Walkways and Parrot Clay Licks. In the Amazon, nature's harmony mixes. Verse 2. Indigenous cultures, guardians of the land. Their ancestral wisdom, an eternal strand. From Cuyabeno to Napo's flowing stream. The Amazon's treasures, a mesmerizing dream. Chorus. Oh, Amazon rainforest, a world so vast. Unveiling wonders, from the present to the past. Canopy walkways and Parrot Clay Licks. In the Amazon, nature's harmony mixes. Bridge. As night falls, the jungle awakes. Whispers of creatures, secrets it makes. Amazonian cuisine, a feast to behold. Flavors that tell stories, stories of old. Chorus. Oh, Amazon rainforest, a world so vast. Unveiling wonders, from the present to the past. Canopy walkways and Parrot Clay Licks. In the Amazon, nature's harmony mixes. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.